guys, welcome back to my channel with my lovely sister Michaela Carnegie over here. Today I will be showing you my lovely slime. I made it this baking soda and lotion. My lotion and my finished Ashley shampoo, guys. So it's a little bit shampoo in here, and this is my white slime. It's very white, guys. Here's it. Why you hear so much noise in my background? There's a lot of traffic on the road, so so guys, it's not very stretchy as you can see, but it's very pokey and sticky. That's why my little hands are messy. It's very pokey as you can see. I use the pure baking soda. This is the one, and red brand. This is the current baking soda you're to get, guys. If you have other baking soda, it's baking soda. Baking soda you're supposed to get in the video, guys.
And guys, you can probably use like any brand of baking soda. One is baking soda.
We need, if it's not baking soda, no, the slime is gonna be, it's gonna be like ruined.
Can I feel your slime, sister?
I will never say no to you, girl. So come over here, show your face, man.
Okay.
It's very pokey as you can see around here, my slime.
Guys, it feels kind of good. It's just not stretchy, but it feels like clay, and it's very
This slime
good.
is so awesome.
Thank you, sis.
So guys, this is my slime decks as you can see, and I make some videos. Usually you see me make videos like these. So just roll it out like dumpling.
Hey guys,
But it's not dumpling, guys. So we need
here's some
Ashley shampoo, lotion. I use Olay because it's very smooth. It makes my slime here very smooth, guys. And the most important thing, who can tell me the most important thing you need is
baking soda.
most important thing is. So these are the 3 ingredients I use, and my glue. The glue kind of make it sticky. That's why my hands are messy. So let's add a little bit of shampoo left in my bottle here. My purple shampoo.
It's kind of a clear purple shampoo. There's nothing coming out of that bottle, just a little tip.
Whoa, it's gonna come out. So just come here, rub it on my slime over here. Sis, could you move these things out of the way?
No problem. And guys, I'm gonna make a slime as well with that slime on my tablet right here.
That's her tablet. Okay, so guys, I just rubbed a little shampoo.
Guys, and when it's...
My sister is talking to you guys. Show your face here.
And guys, so guys, this is how it looks when it's dried up. It kind of not smooth or anything. It's just dries up like rainfall.
Guys, if you like my slime, just click the like bell, click the like button, and I hope you love to like my videos. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below which color should I put my slime in. Bye. Say bye, sis.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And the 3 ingredients we use to make this slime, not stretchy, very pokey, and very sticky. And let's do our bite dance. Let's go, girls. Let's do this. Let's come, master. Go, girl. I can go. Bye, guys.